Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. Just wishing you a very happy and prosperous new year 2025. I hope that this year is filled with happiness and you're surrounded by your loved ones and you push out all the negativity from your life, and hope you have a very beautiful perfume journey as well. I'm starting my 2025 perfume journey with a banger perfume right here from Latafa. This one is Latafa Teriyaki Intense. It's just a couple of days back that I've done a review on Latafa Teriyaki, and already the Intense is out. And Centopia Perfumes, they are doing such an amazing job in bringing the viral fragrances to India, because by the time Latafa releases the next perfume, everybody's forgotten about the older one, and the new perfumes are taking over and becoming viral. And by the time they come to India, we are like 6 months behind the schedule, kind of something. So I'm very happy that Centopia Perfumes is actually kind of getting these from Dubai, and sourcing it from the brand, and bringing us the viral fragrances which are currently existing viral fragrances in US as well. So I'm very happy with my purchases from centopiaperfumes.com, and I kind of need a feedback from you guys also, like how is your shopping experience from their website, and how is it going overall for you. Before I begin with the review on this perfume, I do want to give a huge shout out and thanks to everyone who has subscribed. And thank you for joining the channel. Thank you for helping me grow. And yeah, many of you are asking me to tag the products when I'm making the video, but the problem is I haven't reached 10K subscribers. And that's like the minimum criteria for me to start getting the feature of tagging products. So I request, if you are someone who's watching my videos and you like my content and you appreciate perfumes, I think you should definitely subscribe and help me grow further, that we can reach a family of 10K and I can finally use the tagging feature and get all the products for you tagged here. I usually don't talk about personal stuff on this channel, but year 2024 has been very challenging in terms of personal growth. I've had several personal issues. It has been a very emotional year for me. You know, that kind of a loss is just something that takes years and years to deal with. So yeah, I'm kind of getting there, and I'm just hoping that 2025 will be a more stable, will be a more better year in terms of mental peace. That's what I'm rooting for myself, and that's what I'm rooting for all of you. And I'm just hoping that in terms of mental health and in terms of physical health, may you have the best year coming forward. Alright, so let's begin with the review of Teriyaki Intense. Before we do so, make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, followed me on Instagram, and now let's get started. So this is the box in which Teriyaki Intense comes in, a nice jet black box with golden details on it. And again, there is a sleeve just like Teriyaki, and it's so difficult to take out. So I'm just going to kind of like pull this out. And yeah, this is how the sleeve kind of comes out. All the details actually are on the sleeve and nothing on the box itself. I just don't understand the need for this sleeve. Actually, they could have just printed everything on the box and get done with it. Such an irritating process this one is. Yeah, got rid of it. Alright, this is how the box looks like, and a very nice jet black box with kind of like a rubber kind of a texture to it. And here's the quality assurance stickers that ensures that you have the original product. And once you open the box, this is how the bottle is sitting here. Pulling this one out, this is how the bottle looks like. I'm pretty sure you are already aware of how the bottle looks like. Just like the OG Teriyaki, this one has the similar snake skin-like pattern on the bottle. Instead of beige, now this is black. Again, has a beautiful golden base to it, has a snake wrapped around on the cap, and this is how the atomizer looks like. Love the packaging on this one. I love myself a gothic perfume, and that's exactly what this one is. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It's heavenly, I'll say. This one is a deep, dark, sweet, spicy, gothic, baddie, boozy kind of a fragrance out there. It opens up with some bergamot and lots of saffron, but saffron is so well blended in this perfume. You won't be able to like pick and choose this one has saffron. No, it's just blended beautifully with other notes. Then the most prominent note in this one, which my nose instantly picked up in the first spray itself, that is plum liquor and cinnamon. This is so rich in that booziness and cinnamon mixed with it. The warmth and spiciness is the most prominent thing in this perfume. Then it of course has lots of amber, some tonka bean and benzoin that just adds up to a lot of sweetness in this fragrance, binds everything together and kind of makes it a very dark, gothic winter fragrance, which is like perfect for this kind of a sweater weather. This is just such a beautiful, a deep, dark, intense, dense, syrupy kind of a perfume. During Christmas time, during holiday season, when you kind of enjoy the rum cake, wearing your sweaters, having cozy conversations, you're spending time with your family, and you're having a family dinner and a get together, and there is like happy vibe all over. This is the kind of fragrance which kind of reminds me of that entire scenario, because this has a rum cake vibe to it, but it's not technically like a cake, but it just has that spicy licorice kick to it, which that boozy kick to it, mixing tutti fruities and dry fruits and everything in rum, and then just having that rum cake. It just has this plum and rum cake feel to it. This just has a Catherine Pierce vibe to this fragrance. Like, I just feel that somebody from the Vampire Diaries, Catherine is somewhat the character that kind of reminds me of this perfume. It just has that vibe to it, like she wearing a black dress and a red lip and those voluminous curls and that attitude. I think that is just Teriac Intense for you. Like, such a gorgeous fragrance, and this one is not for the faint hearts. This is a performer, and when they are saying intense, they are not kidding. Like, Lattafa is not kidding with the word intense here. 5 to 6 sprays of this perfume is going to last you 10 plus hours. The longevity is amazing on this one. The sillage is great. It fills the room. It leaves the trail. The projection is amazing. This is a compliment magnet. People literally run and ask what you are wearing, and they do not want to miss out on this perfume, because everyone, whenever I wore this, on any day that I wore this, I got compliments. I got asked, okay, which perfume is this one? You smell like holiday. Literally, this was the comment. You smell like holiday. Which perfume is this? So, this just has a vibe. Even though I will say that this may not be everyone's cup of tea, this may not be a safe blind buy, because of the intensity that this one has. It could be headache inducing as well for some, but my god, you do not want to miss out on this one. Lattafa and Quentin Biche are rocking with these releases. Like, this collab is something that should never end, because these are the kind of perfumes that I expect the designer perfumes to smell like, and I expect the designer fragrances to work like. This is a beast mode, you guys. This is such a bang for the bucks that you're paying. This one is in the range of, I think, 3,500 or something, and you can get it on discount on ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I'm leaving my non-affiliated code right here, and you can get it. You can use my code if you feel like. I'm not earning a penny out of it, but I'm just giving you an option that you should not miss out on this perfume. Just go and grab this one. If you are into dark gothic fragrances, I'm ensuring you this is going to be in your top 10. I'm so happy that I've started my perfume journey of this year with something like this. I am amazed with the way this has performed, and I think this is something that is very soon kind of going to become my signature scent, because I'm not able to keep this one down. Like, every day I just dress up and I'm like, I want to wear Teriac Intense. Like, that vibe, I'm just getting that vibe all the time with this fragrance, and that's what I'm gravitating the most towards. Absolutely love this one. This is like 100 out of 10 for me. So I believe that concludes today's video and review. I hope that you enjoyed watching this perfume review. If you did, hit the like button. What do you think about Teriac and Teriac Intense, and what do you think about Lattafa releases? Let me know. Let's chat about this topic. It's a very hot topic. Let's talk about it in the comments section. Let's make that area chatty. Again, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram if you like my content, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.